In the chaos of our fast-paced lives, finding the tranquil embrace of sleep can seem like an elusive dream. But what if I told you that nestled within the gentle arms of nature lies the secret to serene slumber? Welcome, my dear friends, to a journey deep into the enchanting science of nature's sounds for sleep. Within the sanctuary of our minds, a symphony of thoughts and emotions constantly plays. Stress, anxiety, and the ceaseless digital cacophony often leave us yearning for serenity, especially when the day fades. Enter the tender melodies of nature, a sonic elixir with the power to mend and rejuvenate. Scientific studies have shown that exposure to nature sounds can gently coax our brains into emitting alpha brainwaves. These are the brainwaves of relaxation, tranquility, and creative inspiration. Picture the gentle cascade of a waterfall, or the hushed murmurs of an ancient forest. These sounds echo the rhythms our ancestors once slumbered to. But it's not just ancestral nostalgia. There's real science behind the enchantment. Functional MRI scans unveil that nature sounds awaken parts of the brain associated with relaxation and emotional harmony. And let's not forget the wondrous allure of nocturnal nature sounds. In a world illuminated by screens and the harsh glow of technology, nature sounds offer a gentle escape, guiding us into the realm of dreams. So, the next time you find yourself seeking solace beneath the moonlight, remember the symphony that's merely a play button away. In the tapestry of our hectic lives, the science of nature sounds for sleep weaves a thread of tranquility that can tenderly cradle us into the deep, restorative slumber we all yearn for. May your dreams be gentle and your nights serene. If you found this journey into the science of nature sounds as enchanting as the whisper of a forest breeze, don't forget to subscribe. Join us for more captivating odysseys.